Hey guys, my name is Morgan McAllister, an engineer here at Way Safe Trailer Hitches. Today we're going to show you some features and benefits of our new True Toe weight distribution hitch. Let's go around back and we'll show you the new features. Another feature of our True Toe weight distribution hitch is the fact that it has the 4-area sway control. So up at the head here, on each side, the spring arm comes into contact with the head assembly. And with this being pulled up with, could be 1,000, 2,000 pounds, is it can create up to about 16,000 pounds of force on each side between metal. And what that does, it creates a lot of friction of trying to push that side to side. It could be over 1,000 pounds to go side to side. And so what that does is you got 2 points here of friction sway control. And then you also have 2 in the back, because as you're turning, this spring arm is trying to slide forward or backwards. And with that 1,000 pounds of force between your spring arm and your platform here, it's going to create a lot of friction as well, trying to keep you straight down the road. So it has the 4-area sway control keeping you straight.